Hi guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can add products to a new page on Shopify or a specific page on Shopify. This is a quick video, okay, and easy. So first thing you need to do, guys, you want to log into your Shopify store. That's the first step. Okay, so after you are on your Shopify dashboard, what you guys need to do, you want to click on online store, okay? Now, and then after that you want to click on pages. Okay, here you will find all your pages. Here, as you can see, I only have like 4 pages. Now let's say that I want to add a new page. Okay, let's say that I want to add a new page and I'm going to add products to that page, or I am going to add products to an existing page here or a specific page. Now just if you have already the page here, if you already created the page, you just need to click on it. Okay, or if you don't have it, click on add page in the top right. After that you want to name this page. For example, I will create a page and I'm going to add products, like I have like clothing store and I want to add t-shirts to this page, but other pages I'm going to add, for example, hoodies and other like clothing, items. Okay, so I'm going to add here, this page is going to be specifically for example, t-shirts. Okay, if that makes sense. This depends on your on your store, like what you are selling. Okay, so after you do that, what you guys need to do, you want to click on save. Okay, so we named this page t-shirts. Okay, we are going to view page, and as you can see, it has no products appear on this page. Now I'm going to be showing you how you can add products and also how you can show these products on Shopify so that people will be able to see your page and the products inside the page. Okay, so how you can do this, you could just need to go back, and now as you can see, we have created a page named t-shirts. Now we need to go to our online store. Okay, as you can see, online store, and we need to click on customize. And after that, we want to click here in the top. Okay, you want to click on home page in the top, and you want to click on pages. Okay, so if you can see here t-shirt page, click on it. If you cannot see it, click on default page, and here where it says preview in the top left, as you can see, preview in the top left, what you guys need to do is you want to click on this change icon button, and you want to select here t-shirt, which is the page we have created. Now how you can add products to this page is very simple. In their template here, you can click on add section, and you can either add a collection of products. If you have like a collection, you can add it here. By the way, I'm going to show you guys how you can create a collection. So if you don't have it, in case you don't have a collection, I'm going to show you how you can create it. Okay, so it seems like there is a problem here. Okay, so to create a collection, you just need to go to your Shopify dashboard, click on collection, and click on create collection, and you can name this collection whatever you want, for example, hoodies, whatever. And if you scroll down, you can click on browse, and you can add as many products to that collection as you want, and then click on add. Okay, that's how you can create a collection. Now I'm going to go back. Now to add products to this page, you can either add features collection, or you can add the featured product. If you want to add only one product, you can do that. Now I would like to add a collection. Okay, so I'm going to click on collection, and as you can see, this is the collection of like 3 products, as you can see. Okay, so like I said, you can add a collection, or you can add only like one product. Okay, let's just like create a one product here, or as you can see here, your collection is name. You can change here, you can click on select collection, and to that page you can add multiple collections. For example, if you have hoodies, t-shirts, you can add you can add these. For example, your collection is name, you can name this collection, for example, t-shirts, and you can add like t-shirts to this collection. Now I'm going to add, for example, here it says create collection. You can also click on create collection. Now I'm going to add hoodies, for example, as you can see. As you can see here. Now I'm going to delete all of this, and I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to remove block, and I'm going to click on add another section. You can also delete this if you don't want it. Just click add, just click on it. Okay, I'm going to leave only one, or I'm going to delete this because I know this is going to look confusing, but it's very easy. So here you just need to enter like template. You want to click again on add section, and you can add either like featured product or add featured collection. Click on featured collection, and this is the collection. Okay, so after you click on add like featured collection, you can then add the collection here. Okay, so I'm going to do that right now. I'm going to add make products. As you can see, you can click here on select collection, and I'm going to add the collection here. As you can see, this is the collection. Click on save. Now we have added products to the page. Okay, as you can see, we have added featured collection. Okay, of course you can add for example a featured product if you want to add only one product on the page, or like I said, collection list if you want to do that. You can also add multiple things here. Anyway, now after you add the products to the collection, as you can see, the t-shirt collection, of course you can make some changes here to the page if you want. You can always change, like for example, the header, announcement, banner. You can make changes after you are finished. Now how you can show this page on Shopify so that customers will be able to see the products inside the page. Okay, so how you can do that? It's very simple. You just need to go here. You want to go again to your Shopify store, and then you want to click on navigation, and you can add this page to main menu here. So it will appear here in the top where it says catalog, contact, here where you can see your store name. You can click on it. You want to click on main menu. If you cannot see here main menu, you want to click on the say that the menus that says here home, catalog, contact. You want to click on it. Okay, so after that you want to click on add. I'm going to delete this main menu because I'm not using it anymore. Okay, so you want to click on add add menu item. Okay, and you want to name this, for example, t-shirts. Okay, just the same name. And here you want to find a page here. Click on pages. Now the page we have added products to, it's called t-shirts. Click on it, and then click on add, and then click on save menu. Of course you will have to click on save menu, and these products now will appear on your Shopify store. I'm going to wait a few seconds because it's going to take a few seconds. Now just give it a few seconds, and then t-shirt button will appear here. So if someone clicks on it, it will take them to the page, and they will see the products in that page. Now I'm going to wait a few seconds. As you can see, we have already added the t-shirt. Here we are going to wait. Yeah, as you can see, now it appears. Now if someone clicks on this page, they are going to see all the products on the page, as you can see here, and then they can buy these items. Okay, as you can see. So this is exactly, guys, how you can do this. It's very simple. So yeah, you can click also on view all, and you can see all the products here. Okay, so if this video, guys, helped you, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. If you need any help, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. See you guys next video.